Welcome to my channel, and today we are making classic Canadian butter tarts. We are trying those. For making pastry, we needed 2 and 1/4 cups flour. It's a pastry flour. 1 tablespoon brown sugar, half teaspoon salt. We added butter and margarine spread. It's a half and half. So half cup we are using shortening and half cup butter, and this is half and half. So all together 1 cup. So 6 tablespoon cold water. One more. But do not overwork the dough. At least we can handle it. Until we will make filling, we can put this dough in the fridge. Now we are making filling for butter tart. Half cup corn syrup. So we will add so 1/4 cup we are using melted butter. So 1 teaspoon we are using vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon salt. We will mix together everything before using raisins. So we are using 1/4 cup raisin and 1/4 cranberry. So all together half cup for the filling. We are mixing well. This is all dissolved, and we have raisins and cranberries half cup, but we will keep it separate. So we take out the pastry from the fridge. We think it's very small. It's a small pastry. So what we are doing, we are rolling and making little bigger size so it can fit fully. So hopefully next one we can do it better. I'm using this as a tool to make it nicer. So we will see how it will turn out. Before we were trying this size and now we are trying this. So hopefully this will work. So these two first we will try. We are using this small size muffin tray because we want bite size, but it's very tricky to put pastry in it. This and this one we can cut with the knife. All the raisins and cranberries going in the shawl. Oh, it's all done. Wow, look at this. We can try now. It's warm. It's right. This one is all over the place. Taste is really good. So we are very happy about it. We made this buttercups with cranberry and raisins mix. So they were not very sweet. So with that recipe, which one we saw and we followed that recipe, we made 36 mini ones. But they were showing 12 of them with the normal muffin size. But bite size is much better. Thank you for watching.